Okay, so today I thought I'd show you how to create an e-portfolio, and I thought I would start by showing you mine. So each e-portfolio is going to have some basic tabs. The first one should be your home, which should include a little bit about yourself, a picture of yourself, your interests, and your likes. You should also have a tab with your goals in it, and this should just show why you're at Slick, what you want to achieve in life, etc. And then you can also have an outside the classroom tab which can show what you like to do, and it would be really beneficial if you uploaded images with captions underneath them. Another thing you might want to have is classes, which will actually be where you upload work for each of your classes. And then the last thing is your resume. Okay, so now we're just going to want to go onto Jimdo and create a website. Okay, so the first thing they're going to ask us is which format we want to choose. So you can really pick any of these because you're going to be allowed to edit them. So I really like this one, so I'm going to click that one, and then you're just going to log in. All right. And then the next thing it's going to ask you is what you want your website URL to be. So this is just going to be how people are going to find you. So let's just do let's see if this works. Okay. Maybe. Okay. So there we go. Now we're going to click website, and let's just choose the portfolio option. Okay, so now from here we're going to just edit this website. So as you can see, this has a lot of extra information that we just don't need. So the first thing that I'm going to start with is I'm going to edit these tabs because these don't have what I'm looking for. Okay, so to edit a tab, you just click on it, delete it, and then type whatever you want. So we're going to have our home tab, our goals tab, our outside the classroom, our classes, and then our resume. Okay, and then as you can see, if you have an extra tab that you don't want, all you have to click is this little trash can, and it will just delete it from there. Okay, and as you can see, we have a problem here. All of our tabs that we just created are under our goals tab. So you can just fix that by moving it a level up, and it will create each tab into its individual own place. Okay, and then if you want to add an extra tab, you just click add a new page, and let's add an English page for our classes. Okay, and then we'll move it up, whoops, because we want it right under classes, and then we move it down because we want it under classes. And then we just save it, and there we go. Okay, so let's say we want to edit something here. We just can delete it and write whatever we want. And save. Okay, so another thing is we don't want this picture, and we should probably add a picture of ourselves. So we can delete this and click add an element. And we can click photo, and you can either drag your images or upload them from your computer. So I'm just going to drag a picture onto here. Let's see if this works. Alright, so let's just say that's a picture of me, and there I am. Okay, so under here, we can edit it, write a little bit about ourselves, and then we can see there's a lot of extra information that we just don't need. So all we have to do is just delete it. And you can go through and delete them, add information, whatever you want to do. So let's go to our outside the classroom tab. So if we want to add a picture of, let's say we love swimming, so we're going to add a picture of us swimming. So all we have to do is add an element, and then we want to have a text or a photo. So we're going to click photo, and we are going to, whoops, not what we needed. We're going to add this image of us swimming, and we're going to save it. And then we want to add a caption underneath, so we can click text, and then we can write, I love swimming. Okay, so that's just an example. Okay, so now since you know what to do, you can just go through, you can edit it, you can add whatever you need, and you can even upload documents, videos, whatever you want on here, and you can just customize this and make it your own.